Okay, coming outside for a short video. Some of Jan's flowers. She just took her morning glories down. Some of her roses everywhere. And if you want a cherry tomato, there's 8 million of them over there. But I wanted to show you the latest water feature. It won't be ready for planting till spring, and I've got some more work still to do, but it's up and running. That's where the waterfall comes out, and it disappears over here. And the nice thing about this, if this is in focus, is it's remote control, and it controls the amount of flow between 1 and 10, whatever that means. But as you can see, the water started. And it'll take it just a minute. And there's more tomatoes growing. That's where we spend most of our evenings now. As we get around, and the water does too, it disappears back into the holding tank. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.